Guys, today's Grogs' birthday, and today we're making the Crazy Horse Xavier antics. It's an exciting day to be here. That's not mine, that just lives in the kitchen, by the way. But these eggs will be not scrambled. We're changing it up a bit, these antics, because last ones were scrambled. And I heard Grogs not like scrambled eggs, so we are not doing scrambled eggs. This is gonna be crazy, this is gonna be a cool recipe. Make sure to follow along. I'm gonna need this one egg. So for our antics, we're gonna be using this. This is pretty crazy, this is pretty unique. It's a small little thing that I don't know what you use it for, honestly. I'm guessing. I don't know. But we're gonna be using this because it's like small. And I think this would be pretty good. Literally revolutionary what we're doing for Crazy Horse Xavier this year. This recipe is insane. The recipe is for Grog, not Crazy Horse Xavier. I'm sorry. It was a mistake. This looks fucking foul. I personally hate it. Oh, hell no. Is that it? But we're done. This is the final product of Grog ant eggs. This is our final product of the ant eggs. Now we got Crazy Horse Xavier right here. Crazy Horse Xavier, what do you have to say about this?
I want to kill all Middle Easterns.
I hate you, Rapucius.
Hey, you just say that. Happy birthday, Grog. Happy birthday, Grog.